In this video, we learn how the exposure meter works. So you can see the exposure meter, which looks like a number line in front of you. And if you just half press your shutter button, you'll see the pointer come in front of you. So let's see the effect of changing different values on this meter. You can see as I've increased the shutter speed, I've cut down light, so the meter pointer has moved towards the minus side. And as I decrease the shutter speed, I'm letting in more light in the camera, so the meter has started to move towards the plus side. Similarly, let's see how aperture affects this exposure meter. So you can see I have narrowed down the aperture number by increasing it, so it's moved towards the minus. Similarly, if I reduce it back, if I make the f-stop number small, I'm making the aperture hole bigger, and this time the meter moves towards the positive. Let's see the impact of ISO. If I increase the ISO number, you can see that the meter goes towards the plus side, and if I decrease the ISO number, it moves towards the minus side. Now let's see the effect of this exposure meter on our shots. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our hand in front of us and lock focus on it and take a shot. And we'll be doing this at different levels or at different areas where the pointer is pointing on the meter. So first, we'll take an underexposed shot. So if I just increase the shutter speed, you'll see that the meter starts to go towards the minus side. That means if I take the shot right now, it'll come out as a dark or an underexposed shot. So let's see this. You can see that the shot has come out underexposed. Now this time, for the next shot, let's say if I increase the ISO value, you will see that the meter has moved towards the plus side. If I increase it even further, it moves towards further on the plus side or the positive side. Now if I take a shot right now, it's going to come out overexposed, just like you can see. Now let's make the shot even more overexposed. So if I decrease the shutter speed value, you'll see that the meter has moved even more towards the positive side. You can't even see the pointer now. Now if I take a shot, it'll be really overexposed. So let's do that. You can see how bright the shot looks. So let's just have a look at all the shots that we've taken till now. You can see this is the bright shot. Before this was bright, not too bright, and previously to that was a dark shot. Now let's take the shot with the perfect exposure where the meter will be in the center. So in order to get the meter in the center, I will have to change some values. So if I increase the shutter speed, I cut down the light coming in the camera, and the meter starts to go towards the zero or the center of the exposure meter. So it's still not at the center. Now if I just change my shutter speed a bit and let in some light, it has come to the base, which is 0 or the center of the meter. And now if I take a shot, you'll see that this shot is perfectly exposed, that is, it's neither dark nor is it too bright.